guys, a little disclaimer, I did pay for this with my own money, so please no hate. Hi guys, I just came from the mall, from the Apple store, and so I got a new iPod because I cracked my other one. So this is an unboxing. So yeah, I got time for the unboxing. Woo! Okay, because it slipped. All right. Well, the first thing is, so I'm gonna put that stuff here. So looks like we have this wrapper. So yeah, guys, I paid for my own money. I paid for this, my own money, so I worked hard. So yeah, look, you can see that. We're going to. So yeah, I cracked my other one. So you have to do the peeling part slow. That's Joelle. Wow. And I got the color gold.
Rose gold?
Rose gold?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's rose gold.
That's cool.
I'm gonna try. There we go. Tap here. So yeah. You could see the reflecting. Let's see. Yeah, it needs to be charged. And here's
Look at that right. Oh wow.
Joelle. So we got.
I feel like this is smaller than. Is it bigger than your one?
Yes, it is bigger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is bigger. It comes with a USB cord. We need a new one of that. And some headphones. Wow, they up their headphones games now these days. iPod. So yeah, that's nice. All right, so I did back it up before. So let's see if we can charge it. Let's see if we need to power on or anything. Or I don't know, maybe it needs to be charged. No, wait, powering on. This is so exciting. I want to see what the home screen is. I'm going to charge it, put in the charger. But I did back up my other phone. It is 20% English. We're going to shut my phone off because I think I need to do the base. We'll see. So backing up, hello, press home button to open. Because English, United States. I don't want to start setting up right now because I'm backing it up. So we're going to back it up now. So I'll be back when it's done. All right, guys. So my phone is all backed up, and it's way later, 9:40. It's very late. Well, not very late, but it's late. So if you're wondering how I filmed this, I'm using my mom's phone. So my message. So it took us a while to not back it up. But something happened with Gmail, so my messages. So yeah, goodbye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, I did get my phone case. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. And yeah, bye guys.